Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Lamona heat pump tumble dryer. I've done a full strip down and clean inside of it, but I didn't get into the pump inside, so I just want to rinse it through. It's got 2 minutes left, it says, but it's been doing that for 10 minutes or more. The water goes into the door, so you see medium, max, and whatnot there. I'm going to see if I can flush the pump through while it's running by taking this off and pouring some water in here. Being a bit enthusiastic there. It should drain down. It is draining down now. We should see it trickling in here shortly. There's a little jet that comes in the top there. Get a bit more in. I've been running this machine dry for about 3 hours now, if not longer. The pump is working, I think, because it's pumped up before. There's a bit of water in that door and it was empty earlier. Will we see it coming through? The jet is up there. And that's the water level at the moment. Would like to see it working. A lot of hot air blowing down now. The whole machine is nice and warm. Should pump. Looks to be going down gently. There it's coming in, dripping. The water level's bubbling up. You can probably see more of me than you can of the machine. It's filling up here, rushing down the side there. So earlier today I've disturbed all of the dust and lint in the machine, so we'll do this and then I'll put what it is, 2 litres of water, I'll put that through it while we're here. You can see it running down the back of the glass there, plastic. Too enthusiastic. You could also, if you don't have a trough in front like this on a heat pump, you could spray it through. And this machine was lovely and clean inside, but it did have some dust. The pump's kicked off again there. It's come to here, but it is flowing down again now. Like I said, the pump on these Lamona machines is buried in the center like on Miele machines, which is a disaster if you have to fix them. Most machines, I can hear it gurgling in there, most machines have the pump at the back like old condenser tumble dryers, but for some reason now with these heat pumps they've started putting them in the middle, which is a disaster for maintenance. Oh, I can hear it gurgling. I don't see anything coming out. There's a little filter, a little catcher up there. Let's put a bit more in. It is going down again. Could be a bit of lint stuck in it. In that case I'll be a bit annoyed because it's going to be quite difficult to clean that pump. Got it up to here. I don't see anything coming through. It might be on a timed cycle as well that it can't do that much in a go. I don't know. I doubt that though. Let's put a bit more in. It does appear to be going somewhere. There it is. It's coming through again. So you can hear it. Just for that second, it was on the contra-rotate phase. Not contra-rotate, but counter rotation. Oh, too much. It is coming in. Really what I want to see is there any lint. Can't really see it here with the sunlight. Let's see if there's any lint in there in the water that's come out. What I'm putting in is, I wouldn't say it's completely clean, but it's pretty clean. Let's get a bit more in it. wait again, I think. The air is still blowing hot in there. The machine has been on for hours. Does it flow through a small orifice or something? It does seem to be going down quite slowly. And it's not dribbling in yet. Right, that's my pot empty. It is going down. I thought it would move the water a bit faster than this, but well, it clearly isn't. But it's going down a little bit there, you see. Now, I don't think there's anything in there, so I don't know. Hitting that's not going to make much of a difference. The float switch is down inside in the middle of the machine. Let's put that back on for nothing but noise. Let's see if it kicks in again. I don't know, was it a minute or so between it or what? I've been here talking to you for 7 minutes and it's still on 2 minutes up above. I don't know if it thinks there's laundry in there or what, but this doesn't have a sensor dryer thing in it, I don't think. It might do, but I don't think it does. Try giving the machine a little rock. See if that helps. Helps to agitate it at all. Doesn't seem to be, other than swishing the water about in here. I often wonder about machines like this, if you're on a narrow boat or on a big boat, how do they perform? Like old conventional vented dryers would just blow the stuff outside, and washing machines, well, washing machines are the same, I guess. It sounds like something's coming on again there, so will we see water up at the top? Or maybe I'm just mistaken and it's that fan there that's coming on. I don't see anything yet. There it is. I think I can see it coming in. Yeah, it's pretty sluggish. Which makes me wonder, is the pipe a bit blocked or the pump a bit blocked? But equally it is pumping in, and these are not a very strong pump. They're very, very small. If you live on a narrow, there it's coming through a bit stronger now and you can see it splashing. I wonder if you live on a narrow boat, if you've got any experience of washing machines and laundry, tell me about it, because some boats, like narrow boats, yachts, things like that, they will have full-size washing machines in some of them, especially if they're live-aboard vessels. Yeah, it's pumping, so once it stops pumping I'll open the door and we'll have a look. We're up to nearly 9 minutes now. Has it stopped? I guess. Let's check it out. There we go. So how does this look? Yeah, quite murky actually. It's an interesting door jug thing. The water there is from me spilling. Let's pour this out. Let's put this in here. That's a date down there. 2023, 01/10/2023. Which way am I doing it? The wrong way around, I guess. Put that in like that. And this is a Lamona LAM8878 washing machine, tumble dryer. Yeah, there's all sorts of stuff and hair, little bits of short hair in there. There was a lot of animal hair in the machine. There's a lot of lint in that water. So it's been a success. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.